Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a new file in Adobe Photoshop. So open Photoshop, then click on File, and here the option New. And also guys, you can use Control plus N shortcut. So this is the shortcut Control plus N. Now here guys, you will see the name for this file, preset default Photoshop size, and you can use your own desired size like US paper, international paper, photo, web, mobile and devices, film and video, and also you can select custom. So in custom you can set width and height, resolution, color mode, background like white background color or transparent. Then click on OK. And you can also guys save this preset for next file creation. So this is the way you can create a new file in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.